What is your name? Priyanshu
Swai
Samal. Priyanshu sir, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଠି ଆସନ୍ତୁ। ଆପଣ ରହିବେ ଏଠି ପାଖରେ ନା ପିଲାଟାର ନାଁ ଆଗ ଦେଖିବେ କୋଉଠି ହେଲା। ପ୍ରିୟାଂଶୁ ସ୍ୱାଇଁ ସାମଲ ଏଇଠି ଆସିବେ। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ସାର୍ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ କରିବେ।
but your project to explain but why it is required, why have you made it successful. Where does the energy goes after entering into the powerhouse? A turbine, here energy is produced and will come to the powerhouse. Then where does it go?
Energy pass in which form?
Check by the what type of energy is produced there? In the windmill, we consume the power of the wind, energy of the wind. Then the energy is converted to what kind of energy? That converted to finally electrical current. हाँ सर ना कोटे पिला क्वेश्चन करें तो फाइल है नादा अर्जुन ने how your realization project works. Finally, the water will go to from which source the water will come? Either rainwater or your supply water. Which kind of water will you use here? Rainwater. Rainwater purification. Okay. What is your name? Kushbu Rani? And which class? 4. Your class is? 4. Your? What is your project? Air pollution. Save environment. To explain, what have you done here? Polluted air.
pollution जैसे कि एयर पोल्यूशन, वाटर पोल्यूशन और ऐसे सॉइल पोल्यूशन
Three three times: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. Another?
Noise.
Noise pollution. Okay, thank you. Continue.
This is a factory.
Factory.
फैक्ट्री से ये सब धुआं निकल रहा है। यहाँ पे फैक्ट्री से भी जैसे गंदा पानी भी निकल रहा है। हमारा जो रिवर होता है उससे वो गंदा कर देता है। और हम जो ये सारे फेंकते हैं, नदी से गंदी चीज़ हम वाटर में फेंकते हैं, वो तो गंदा हो जाता है ना। इसे हम कैसे क्लीन करें सर?
ଟିକେ ଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଧର
पानी में
ଭଲ ଚା ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି
पंप में हम जब फिल्टर लगाएंगे तो ये पानी भी हमारे लिए सेफ्टी हो जाएगा। तो ऐसे करके हम हमारे पेड़ लगाएंगे। यहाँ पर तो पेड़ कट हो रहा है ना, ऐसे तो हमको ऑक्सीजन भी नहीं मिलेगा। और यहाँ पर हम पेड़ लगाएंगे, उनके पेड़ लगाने से हमको ऑक्सीजन मिलता है। और गाड़ी से जो धुआं, यहाँ पर भी धुआं निकल के एयर को पूरा पॉल्यूटेड करता है।
Why do plant, what is the role of plant?
Plants gives us oxygen, food, vegetables, anything.
Plant gives. What is the role of plant in pollution of air?
We can वो pollution को रोक सकते हैं।
हाँ कैसे रोकेगा? वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कंज्यूम करेगा, देन ऑक्सीजन प्रोड्यूस करेगा।
Oxygen release, carbon dioxide absorb. As a result, atmosphere.
Why to have two colors? Use two colors in this water sources.
This is clean water and this is dirty water.
Okay, thank you. What is your name? Samarth. In class 4. What is your project? Water purification. How your project works?
कुछ देर के बाद जो बड़ा वाला स्टोव है वो नीचे रह जाता है, पानी दूसरी ग्लास पे चला जाता है। और ये कुछ देर के बाद जो छोटा वाला स्टोव है वो नीचे रह जाता है, पानी दूसरी ग्लास पे चला जाता है। और कुछ देर के बाद जो सैंड और मड है वो नीचे रह जाते हैं और पानी छोटे ग्लास पे चला जाता है। और फिर जो कुछ कटन रहते हैं वो हम सैंड और मड से यहाँ पर रह जाते हैं, पर कुछ सैंड वो चले आते हैं, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पर कटन रखा है। तो पानी वो साफ पानी यहाँ पर बाहर है, क्योंकि इसको हम अभी भी नहीं पी सकते, क्योंकि इसमें अभी भी जब इसे हम बॉयल करेंगे उसके बाद ठंडा कर पी सकते हैं। ठीक है सर, ये मेरा क्वेश्चन।
What is your project? Parts of plants. Explain how many parts are there in a plant.
There are two types of fruit, planted and citrus fruit. There are two main parts, root system and soil system. Usually grow down, but the part above the ground is called the shoot. The part below the ground is called the root. Function of this.
Can you tell what is the function of root for the plant? Function of root क्या है? रूट प्लांट को कैसे सहयोग करता है और कैसे हेल्प करता है? Okay, proceed. आगे बढ़ो.
Function of plant. Root absorb water and minerals. Stem support the plant.
Okay.
Root protect the seeds. Leaf perform photosynthesis. Flower help in reproduction.
Flower helps in reproduction. How the leaf prepare photosynthesis?
By making sunlight, air and water.
Using sunlight.
Morning everyone, my name is Venkateswar. I am from class 3. So my project is 4-stage water purification. I make this water purifier to save the ground level of the water. Ground level of the water is coming down due of cutting of trees, pollution of factories. I make this water purifier to save the ground level of the water by recycling the muddy water into the clear water. Stage 1. Stage 1 balance stone. The air gaps in between them helps to prevent the suspended solids, microorganisms and the other impurities. It also prevent the poor taste and the discoloration of water. Stage 2. Small stone. It introduces the oxygen and the precipitate iron out of the rust. Stage 3 sand. It filters the suspended matter whether it is floating or sinkable in water. Stage 4 cotton. It absorbs the clay and dust particles. Dust particles may be it is soluble in water. Advantages of water purifier. Finally, we get clear water with low investments. The no electricity is used in this water purifier. All the natural materials are used in this water purifier. The processing time of the purifier we cannot compare with other purifiers.
Can we drink the final stage water?
No.
Final?
Why not? क्योंकि इसमें सब germs हैं.
How can we drink it? How can we use it as drinking water? Boiling it and cooling. Okay.
Last answer तो जानिए. जानी पर नहीं. हाँ. ना कोई बात नहीं. क्लोरीनेशन होगा. किसी जानला क्लोरीनेशन.
Okay, please. Very good story.
बढ़िया.
What is your name?
लास्ट जो ड्रिंकिंग वाटर का
Glass four. Solar system. Okay. Explain.
The sun is the main source of solar system. Mercury is the closest from the sun. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. And
Why not Mercury hottest? Mercury is the closest, so it should be hottest. As the sun is source of heat and Mercury is very closer, it gets more heat, so it is expected to be more hot. Continue.
the earth is the life of people and animals. Mars is the red planet because
Mars is the red planet.
Mars is the dead.
Mars.
Okay, iron and iron compound are found here, so it is red in color. Okay, continue.
Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and the fifth planet in the solar system. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. Uranus is the very farthest from the sun and it is seventh planet in the solar system. Neptune is the very farthest from the sun and it is the last planet in our solar system.
Why life exists in Earth, not in other planets?
Because other planets have no oxygen.
Now, there are so many reasons. What is the main cause of life here in the Earth?
Because water, oxygen,
Everything is here. It is neither so hot nor so cold. It is in moderate temperature, so that life exists here. Okay? Thank you. Sit down. Puna.
Check by you.
Tell
Tell me, how many natural satellites Earth has? Do you know? One natural satellite, that is Moon. How many natural satellites Mars? Have?
Mars,
Do you know? Two. Phobos and Didymos. Okay.
ଆମେ ମୁନ୍ ବୋଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି.
Moon is the natural satellite of our Earth planet.
Okay, what's your name? Dharmesh Biswal. Okay, what is your project about?
This will be safe earth and safe environment. In this project, I will tell about our environment. This is an windmill that gives energy from wind energy. When wind is come in the pressure, in this propeller it moves and this movement causes the kinetic energy. This is a solar panel. Solar panel is a mechanism that makes energy from the solar light, and this is a factory produce many harmful gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and etc. It damages our ozone layer, and in the industry produces the bad water that pollute the water. This car is a diesel car that produce many harmful gases like carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. That damage our ozone layer, and this is a electric and hydrogen car that it not produce any type of gases, and it is good for our environment. And the trees are very good for our environment because it takes carbon dioxide and gives us oxygen. And we should save our animals because animals gives us many things like milk, etc. And this is a compost pit where is cow dung and plants fertilizers are placed. It is a wastewater treatment plant where wastewater goes there and it purifies the water for the animals and the human beings. It is a plastic waste where we can throw plastic in this jar. We can also sell as a dustbin. Deforestation. Deforestation is the process where a large amount of trees are cut down cut down. Deforestation, when deforestation is held, we did not found sufficient oxygen for us. In the world, 27,000 trees are cut in one day. This
Dodge factory produce wastewater.
yes, sir.
Why this panel board is divided into two colors? One is grey, another is green.
Because it is a natural part and it is a bad part made by human being.
के ପରେ କରୁଛି ନା କ'ଣ କହୁଥିଲୁ? ହଁ ହଁ ନମସ୍କାର। ହଁ ଦେଇଦେବ ମୁଁ ଟିକେ ଅଛି ଘଣ୍ଟେ ପରେ କଲ୍ କରୁଛି। ହଉ 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 ଓକେ ନମସ୍କାର କ'ଣ କିଛି ହେଲା ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। What is the project about? Solar system. Okay, well arranged. Continue. Explain.
Eight planets on the sun in order of increasing distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury is the closest planet and the smallest planet in our solar system. Venus is the hottest planet and it looks like bright star in early morning or evening, so it is also called morning star or evening star. Earth is also called blue planet and have living things are widely possible. Mars is called red planet because it reddish appearance. Jupiter after Mars is the largest and spinning planet in our solar system. Saturn is surrounded by several spinning rings in our solar system. Uranus is the first planet discovered by using telescope and it spins around us. Next is Neptune. It is the farthest and last planet from the sun. It is blue in color. Pluto is called dwarf planet.
Among these 8 planets, you told that Earth is a blue planet and here life exists. Why does so happen? There are 8 planets, but only one planet where life is possible. Why?
Because other planets have no oxygen.
Any other thing? Only oxygen or other?
No water.
This happens only due to the moderate temperature. It is not so cold or so hot. It is in moderate temperature. So here water is here in a liquid form. Okay, thank you.
Please tell me, in which planet sun rises in the west and sets in the east.
Sir,
In which planet sun rises in the west and sets in the east? Do you know? Do you understand? Venus and Uranus. Do you know?
They revolve in opposite direction.
Opposite direction.
Sun, explain, explain.
Sun is the center of the solar system. It is the hot ball of glowing gases, and it gives us heat and light.
With energy.
Which gas is found in the sun? No. Hydrogen and helium. Conversion. Hydrogen and helium. Okay.
Thank you. Very good. What is your name?
ଗାନା କ'ଣ ଦିବ୍ୟଶ୍ରୀ କନ୍ତା ସାଇସିଆ ପଚିଗଲା ତ
Explain. What is your project about? Plants. Okay. Very good.
Aloe vera is the king of medicinal plant. It is used to treat constipation, poor body odor. Mint is freshly fermented medicinal plant. It is used to treat keeps the digestive system running, boosting. Excellent for comfort. Coriander. Coriander is an important ingredient of an Indian cuisine. It is used to treat constipation, upset stomach. It is used to treat joint pain and constipation.
Curry.
Curry leaf. Curry leaf is used to treat high BP, heart disease, and joint pain. Jaraka indica. Neem. Jaraka indica is known as neem. It is first quality. It is used to treat acne, immunity, control sugar level. Parijata is called the night point. It is used to treat fever, cold, cough, joint pain, relief. A journey is used to adding flavor to the number of basic drinks. It is used to treat constipation, upset stomach. Rosemary is edible and can be eaten raw. It is used to treat upset stomach, diarrhea, gas, asthma.
Join the
Marigold is a prickly all-purpose plant with a wide range of medicinal effects. It is used to treat problems like Russell's bronze, sophisticated therapy, Periwinkle. Before periwinkle, is known as periwinkle. It is a lovely plant. It is a lovely small plant.
What's your name? What is your project about? About windmill. So explain. इसको विंडमिल क्यों कहा जाता है? ये विंड से चलता है, इसीलिए इसको विंडमिल कहा जाता है। कंटिन्यू।
जब हवा चलती है तब विंड
चक्री घूमने लगता है।
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आता है और
इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई देता है। Air energy is converted to mechanical energy. Then mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy. Finally, we use electrical energy as is the current to illuminate our homes and factories, etc.
It is the natural source.
Explain.
पानी का विषय ढाली में पड़ जाएगी मेरे पूरे बोतल
Water cycle.
My name is Venkateswar from Std-III. As you made this chart of the water sector and
The water cycle.
in this the model. The model was showed. This is the land area. This is the water, forest, mountain areas.
Good. Continue. But it is about
It is
system. Okay.
just due to the sun of the heat, the water vapor changes evaporates into the process is called evaporation. Then when water vapor condenses it's back into the liquid water from the cloud, this process is called condensation. When the individuals from the cloud when so very heavy, they cannot hold much time. Then we rain. This process is called precipitation.
Which two process, tell me, which two process is responsible for water cycle?
Condensation and evaporation.
Which comes first?
First, evaporation.
Does evaporation continue in any temperature or required a particular temperature is required for evaporation? सब तापमात्रा है एवापोरेशन होता है और एक निर्दिष्ट तापमात्रा चाहिए एवापोरेशन के लिए। Evaporation occurs at any temperature. कौन ना कौन? Class 4. Next. Satellite. Very good. What is your project? Chandrayaan-3. Continue. What is the full form of ISRO?
India Space Research Organization. India sent into space. Space to space.
To where?
14 on 14 July 2023. It was launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center. When we moved in 16, science from
What was the name? Do you remember what was the name of lander and what was the name of rover? Landing in the moon. Okay. Thank you. What is your name? बारीक बारीक हो उसके बारीक बटर खाई what procedure the clouds are made. Clouds consist of tiny water droplets. I do agree. But in what procedure, in what process, as you explained, 2-3 names, clouds are formed. What is the process? Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. What is the process to clouds are made? Thank you. What is your name? Class 3. What is your project about? Explain. How?
charcoal also. Small stones from the big size stones to the small size stones.
Continue. Next.
And finally, cotton balls are at the bottom in the filtration system.
Okay. Why have you written here big stone and small stone here? Why big stones will rest here and why small stones will rest here? Why big stones will not come here? बड़ा पत्थर क्यों यहाँ रुकेगी, यहाँ नहीं आएगी? इसलिए हमारा ये जो पाइप सिस्टम है ना, इसको ऐसा बनाया गया और यहाँ बड़ा पत्थर एंटर नहीं कर सकता। ये ग्रेजुअली दिस पाइप विल बी मोर थिनर, दैट छोटा पत्थर यहाँ भी रुक जाएगा। फाइनली यहाँ और थिनर होगा। जो पाइप यूज किया गया वो ग्रेजुअली स्मॉलर थिनर एंड थिनेस्ट हियर. As you have used the same pipe, some sands enter here. Have you seen? Okay.
What's your name?
Class 3. What is your project about? Photosynthesis. Okay. How does photosynthesis takes place? Explain. What is this? So total system, what we call this as a tree. Start explaining. हिंदी में बोलना चाहता हूँ, बोलिए।
ये क्या कर रहे हो? एक तुम क्यों कर रहे हो? बैठो बैठो। और भी आएंगे कुछ नहीं। हम भी आ सकते हैं, हम भी ऐसे पूछ सकते हैं।
फोटोसिंथेसिस लीड में होता है, कलर में नहीं। बोलिए। इससे सूर्य रश्मि फोटोसिंथेसिस में हेल्प करता है।
समझाओ एक्सप्लेन करो, क्या लिखा है एक्सप्लेन करो।
Okay. What is called this part of the plant called? Root. This part is called tree. ये entire तो tree है. This part जो खंबे like दिखता है वो क्या बोला जाता है? ट्री का स्टेम ओके थैंक यू मैं ऊपर गएगा बेटे